So today we're in Richmond, checking out something that's super hard to find in today's market. It's a move-in-ready townhouse with a garage for under $700,000. And the crazy part is, you can actually get into this place for less than $45,000 down, which is less than what most people are paying for a brand new car. And it's just minutes from Walmart Supercenter, Queensborough Landing, and major highways. So if you're looking for space, convenience, and value, like this video first so you too can push out this video to more townhouse buyers. Okay, so we are here at Unit 2 at Hamilton Station, a 54 units townhouse complex. Let me roll out the garage, and this is the best part. The condo owners always wish they had a covered garage like this to work on their projects and store all your groceries from Walmart. Once you are done, no need to wait for elevator. Just open the door and leads up to have a nice relaxing time on your couch or sip a red wine after a busy day at work. For only $45,000 down, you could have this open concept layout with 9-foot high ceiling and wood flooring throughout, and this functional kitchen that offers this huge island space to entertain your friends or to store your wines. Lots of cabinet space, nice country backsplashes. You don't find these anymore in today's new build. Got dual sinks, got full appliance packages, and check out this French door fridge for all your grocery needs. So whether you are prepping for school lunches or hosting a dinner party with friends, this kitchen is ready for you. So leading from this kitchen is an outdoor balcony space, and really like this glass pan, which brings lots of natural light to the kitchen area. Here, grow your plants or to stretch after a long day. Oh, before I show you the upstairs, there's even a powder room on the main floor with a window. It's super convenient for guests or for your day-to-day. Upstairs, you have the primary suite, which can easily fit a king bed and 2 nightstands. Lots of closet space, and here is an ensuite. Also a full-size washing and dryer on the same level. On the second bedroom, it's also generously sized with a walk-in closet. Now, let me show you around this neighborhood. So let's recap. For under $45,000 down, you could own this move-in-ready townhouse in Richmond with all these features. And also, you're only 7 minutes walk to the community center and the elementary school, and also 8 minutes walk to Maint Park. Just 15 minutes drive to Richmond Center and the SkyTrain station. So here, have everything you need from groceries to green space. Here has it all. So if you are comparing between condos and dreaming of something that's bigger, or you're a young family craving for a garage, more storage, or a layout just makes sense, then this is exactly what you've been searching for. My name is Ken. I'm from True Partners Real Estate Team. Give me a call, text, or email to book a private tour. Now, if you're looking for a Richmond single-family home, click here or subscribe to our channel to never miss another video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.